Welcome travelers to a new review on my channel. I'm currently at Munich Airport at Terminal 2. United will bring me from Munich to Houston today. It's not only my first flight with United, but also the first one in United's business class called Polaris. United business class guests are allowed to use the Lufthansa lounge here in Munich. After a quick snack, I headed to the gate where my ESTA was checked once again. Our aircraft for today's flight is a quite old Boeing 767-300ER. This plane is 31 years old to be exact. Boarding started on time and I was among the first to board the plane. United Polaris is arranged in a 1-1-1 configuration. This is my seat 3A for this flight. Waiting for me at my seat were a pillow, a blanket and a duvet. This is the seat on board the United Boeing 767. On the large monitor, information about the flight is being displayed at the beginning. After taking my seat, I was immediately served a glass of champagne and the flight attendant greeted me by name and shook my hand. Despite its 31 years, the interior of the Boeing 767 looks very modern. Here is the menu for today's flight, offering a good selection of food and beverages. These are the seat adjustment controls. You can adjust the recline using this knob. The seat also features a USB port next to the screen. Below the screen is a fold-out table. You will also find a coat hook on your right side. Additionally, the seat has a personal dimmable reading light.
And we are headed for Houston, Texas. Welcome aboard.
Also on my right side, there is a universal power outlet. The armrest is height adjustable, allowing you to lower it completely for sleeping.
All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits here for sleep, remember, they may be behind you.
Above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If the strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth swiftly.
After takeoff, I received a hot towel. The crew then set the table with a tablecloth and distributed amenity kits. The good thing about the amenity kit is that it can later be used as a fanny pack. Inside the kit there's a face mask, tissues, socks, a dental kit, earplugs and a pen. I'm giving this amenity kit away to one of you, so if you'd like to have it, please like this video and comment which airline you'd like to see reviewed on my channel next. Moments after, I received a Coke and warm nuts. I chose the beef for my main meal, and look how colorful the food is. It looks amazing. The main course came with a Caesar salad and salmon as an appetizer. The crew also handed out bread rolls. The meal was fantastic and exactly to my taste. Everything came at once, but it was beautifully presented. For dessert, there was ice cream with strawberry sauce and whipped cream. In the small door on the right side, you can find headphones and additional storage. Here is the safety card of the Boeing 767. This is what the lavatory looks like, which also has some amenities. After the meal, I got comfortable and the cabin was darkened. It's amazing how dark it can get during a daytime flight. In the galley, you can help yourself to get some snacks at any time. By now, we have already crossed the Atlantic Ocean, and I received another hot towel. About 2 hours before landing, dinner was served. This time I chose pasta, which came with a green salad and a muffin. The pasta was also excellent. We are now beginning our descent. Enjoy the footage of our approach into Houston.
Welcome to Houston, Texas. Local time is approximately 4:30. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain does turn off that seatbelt sign. Have a great stay here in Houston or wherever your travel plans.
I had a wonderful flight with United. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.